Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to draw an unbalanced grid of ggplot2 plots in the R programming language. So in the video I'm going to show you an example, and this example is based on the data that we can create with lines 2 to 4 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new data frame object appears. And if we want to draw this data with the ggplot2 package, then we also need to install and load the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 6 and 7 of the code. I have installed the package already, so I'm just going to load it with line 7 of the code. And furthermore, we need to install and load the gridExtra package if we want to arrange a grid of ggplot2 plots. So I'm also going to install and load this package. And now we are able to use the functions of the ggplot2 package and of the gridExtra package. So if we want to draw a basic ggplot in R, then we can use the code that you can see in lines 12 and 13. So if you run these lines of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new plot object appears. And we can also have a look at this plot by running line 14 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that at the bottom right a new scatterplot is created. But at this point, this is only a single plot, and as I mentioned in the forefront, we want to draw a grid of multiple plots. So if we want to draw a grid of multiple plots, we have to use the grid.arrange function, as you can see in line 16 of the code. And within the grid.arrange function, we need to specify the plots that we want to arrange in our grid. And in this case, I'm just going to plot our example plot ggp multiple times. So within the grid.arrange function, we also have to use the function arrangeGrob to arrange the plots that we want to show in our grid by their height. And then we also need to specify how many columns our plot should have. So if we run these lines of code, you will see that at the bottom right in RStudio a new output is created, and this output is showing multiple plots. So at the left side you can see our plot ggp in the whole column, and on the right side you can see what we have done here in lines 17 and 18, because in these lines of code we have arranged our plot ggp 3 times with different heights. So as you can see, the height of the first plot is very low, the height of the second plot is a little bit larger, and the height of the third plot is relatively large. So this is basically how to draw an unbalanced grid of ggplot2 plots in the R programming language. However, if you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you could check it out there. And furthermore, if you have liked this video, I would be very happy if you leave me a comment or if you give me a thumbs up on the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.